Deep inside Indonesia's rainforests lives a moth so large, many people think it cannot be real. Few have ever seen it in the wild, and even fewer have witnessed how its extraordinary life truly begins. When the giant moth becomes an adult, time is already running out. It has no mouth to eat, no way to survive for long. Every moment is driven by a single purpose: to find a partner before its short life ends. After mating, the female searches quietly through the forest. Beneath leaves, she places hundreds of tiny eggs. This is her final task. What happens next will unfold without her. Days pass in silence, and from eggs smaller than grains of rice, new life begins to emerge. Tiny caterpillars appear, completely unrecognizable from the giant they will one day become. Leaves disappear. Its body grows larger with each passing day. All of this energy is needed for a transformation unlike anything else in nature. When the time comes, the caterpillar stops eating. From the outside, everything seems still. But inside, something unimaginable begins. After weeks in darkness, the cocoon begins to move. Slowly, it cracks open. A new creature struggles to emerge, fragile, wet, and entirely transformed. Once its wings have expanded, the moth takes its first flight. Silent, punkt graceful. Free beneath the forest night. The giant moth's life will last only a few days. But its story does not end here. In nature, nothing truly ends. It only transforms, and the cycle begins again